Good morning and welcome back to Day Trade Like a Pro. It is July 23rd and let's go take a look at the S&P 500. So things have just gotten underway about 2 minutes ago. And let's just go take a peek here and see what we're looking for. So we came up overnight to 43.83. That's just a point and a half. The all-time high is 43.84.5. So that's just a point and a half away. Okay, so from the all-time high, it's likely they're going to want to try and make a push there. So let's look at this first break up above the CP, and we can measure that to there and back to right here. And that gives us 75.75. That's the first target there. And then second target is 81. What you can see here, what we said in MAP this morning is that this 81, if they can't get back up above here, definitely can get some deeper pullback. But that next target would be 86. We have a C, or 86 quarter. We have a CP at 86. And then 91.50, and we have a CP at 92 quarter. And then up above that, we really need to measure, so 93, 96 half, and then it opens up quite a bit, about 12 points up into here. And we would really need to measure and see what else it's telling us up there. But so for right now, don't have a whole lot that we can talk about up there because we need to measure it in real time. If you want to learn how to do that and be able to do that and be able to measure it and do it for yourself all in real time, you can certainly learn how to do that. You can go register for the course that I'm leading right now. The link is in the comments here. Okay, so then next up here, let's just talk about, so any kind of, this pullback or whatever that's happening right here. We have this like 78 area, and they've kind of probed that a little bit, but basically there's this area right here, and so far they're holding this, so we'll see if they continue to hold that. We have a one price down here at 72 half. There's just a lot of things going on here, so we'll see if they can hold something in here. If they break down below this CP, then what we could see is a bit of a, this CP break, and then we could measure that and see what else that gives us down here. But easily could come back down into here, no problem, and then still push higher later on in the day. So not really anything. Really what we need is to measure is those things. If those things were to break, we need to measure that and just go one step at a time. In the big picture, as long as they can hold, let's say, around this 44 half, really should be no problem. But would be ideal if we, didn't see that big of a discrepancy, that big of a pullback. So we're not really, today I would say I wouldn't call that just a pullback today on an intraday basis. That's a bit too far. But in the big picture, so if they break this 70 half, we'll go from there, we'll measure, we'll see how things go, okay? And then otherwise, we'll just, we'll see if they're able to hold. There's 74 half. There's a lot going on right here, so we'll just see how that all plays out. We'll be back, we'll do a review, we'll see how things go, but ultimately we're looking for at least 86 and very possibly that 91.50 or 92 quarter. And then we just have to see about anything above that. So we'll just go from there. Okay, well, I'll see you in the review video. Trade smart, trade one step at a time, and we'll see you later today.